I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by eliminating the obvious tracking enemies: glare, reflections, and dark fabrics. First, clear the play area and turn off direct lights aimed at the headset. Once done, make sure your headset and controllers are charged above 50% so sensors perform normally, and reboot the Quest 2 to reset internal sensors. You should also close any heavy apps in Oculus settings to free processing headroom. These first steps stabilize camera input and power delivery. They set the foundation for consistent tracking. You now focus on the cameras and calibration. Gently wipe each external camera with a microfiber cloth to remove smudges that confuse tracking. Then, rerun the Guardian boundary setup so the system relearns your play area geometry, and check your IPD setting to match your eyes for better stereo alignment. Next, unpair and repair the controllers to refresh their pose data, and relaunch a tracking test with soft, diffuse lighting. These steps refine sensor input and spatial mapping, which fixes mid-process drift and jitter. You finish by ensuring software is current. Update the Quest firmware and Oculus mobile app, and prefer a stable 5 GHz Wi-Fi during updates to avoid corruption. If problems continue after hardware cleaning and recalibration, perform a factory reset only as a last resort and back up your saves first. Finally, test tracking in a different room to rule out environmental causes. If tracking still fails, contact Oculus support and provide your serial number for hardware diagnostics. One troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.